Hey you guys, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually popping in from the future to tell you guys that today is my 24th birthday, which is super exciting. But the main reason I wanted to pop on here before getting into the video is to regard everything that's been happening right now. Let's just say I took a little bit of a break from YouTube because this month has just been super overwhelming, both with COVID, all this difficult news with like George Floyd being murdered. I just want to say that my heart has just been so heavy, and it's been a really difficult couple of weeks. Seeing all the difficulties that Black people have been going through, both in Canada, in the States, and all over the world. I've been posting a lot on Instagram about the Black Lives Matter movement, having really important conversations with you guys in my DMs, and basically all I just wanted to say before getting into today's video, it's my birthday, and if you guys really want to go ahead and make me happy, the best gift that you can give to me to make me so happy is just to commit your time, commit your voice to stand up against racism, to learn, read more books, learn the history, educate, be an advocate for others, stand up whenever you can, even if it's difficult, even if it's uncomfortable. I actually went ahead and linked down a bunch of different resources in the description box below, whether you're looking on some books to read, some films to watch, some petitions to sign, some phone numbers you can call, amazing Black creators to follow, businesses to shop from, and a bunch of other ways that you can be part of this movement as well. I'm gonna leave that all linked down below. So with all that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't want it to take away from the conversation that I want to still keep going on. So invest your time, invest your voice, let's keep talking, and with all that, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a really fun studio makeover. I know that a lot of you guys like my studio, and I like it too. It's just I've literally had this set up for almost an entire year, and being someone who edits all my own videos, I'm just so tired of seeing that background. I like want something different, I want something new. I really want more color in this space, so I am going to be stopping by a couple stores today like IKEA and Home Depot, obviously wearing a mask, wearing gloves, being as safe as we possibly can. This is how my entire filming room looks at the moment. There's like installed carpet that is super not cute, so I actually went ahead and bought 2 pieces of this fluffy carpet, so then that way when I take photos and stuff in this mirror, it like looks a lot nicer than seeing that gray carpet. So I have this big freestanding mirror from IKEA. I absolutely love it. It is called the Hobbit mirror. I'm definitely going to be leaving it here because I feel like it's a perfect photo spot, and I really use this mirror a ton. This vanity area that I created myself with these kind of DIY vanity lights that I have from Amazon. And then for the main space you guys are used to seeing, I have these 2 walls right here. First, this white brick wallpaper. This is more the wall that I want to tackle today. So that's the quick little tour of the space that we're working with. I just want every single corner of this room to be super aesthetic looking, a nice place to take photos. This is kind of the vibe that we're going for. I just want a lot of pastel colors, really cute furniture, custom colored frames, lots of florals, different hangers and racks for my bags and my purses and my colorful pastel cardigans, and just overall kind of like a colorful, thrifty, vintagey feel. They have these like really awesome frames right here in the colors that I'm going for. This like cool peachy pink and this light pastel blue, and then also smaller sizes as well. So I ended up picking up 2 of the big ones and then a couple of the little ones, including this pretty pink pastel. Ugh, they actually have green and yellow too, and I'm sort of really tempted. To match the frames, I'm trying to see if they have some cool prints that I can put. I see this little sneakers one. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with Converse, and they have like 2 different color schemes. I feel like this can look good in some of them, and then this one too is actually pretty cool. The prettiest little flowers, and they're super inexpensive too. They're $1.99 each. Again, the white, the pink, and the green, these are the colors we're working with. So instead of these ones, I actually found these, which are a little bit fluffier, and they're actually much cheaper too, only 79 cents, and I kind of like them more. For $2.99 there are these really pretty ones too, and also tulips. Ugh, I'm gonna see if I can find a nice assortment of things. Oh, and I love this little set of vases. These are the colors that I want. It's $11.99 for a set of 3. So cute. And these are the mirrors that I like really wanted. As you can see, they're cute little dainty, different shaped mirrors, priced super well too, and I feel like they would make such nice wall decor. And then I forgot to mention, but I also picked up these amazing cloud decals. They sell for like under $11 at IKEA too. For some decor, I wanted to get some candles, and IKEA actually has the prettiest colors, pink and blue. I actually wanted a second mirror in another side of the studio so that I can go ahead and take more pictures. So this is option 1. It's $139. It has a wood frame that I'm actually going to go and paint myself. But then right here, there's actually this option, which is definitely more narrow, but it is $50, so it's cheaper. So I actually just had a thought, because I want to go and do a pink and blue theme, maybe I can get 2 mirrors, put them next to each other, paint one pink and paint one blue. And I think that could actually look a lot better, and it's actually going to end up being cheaper than getting that one big mirror right there. And the great thing about these mirrors as well is that you could also hang stuff on the back, which is nice because it's some extra storage. As you can see, there's a bunch of paints here, so you could either try to color match it, or apparently they have this thing where I could just take off the plastic and they can make me this exact same color just by using a machine. So that's probably what I'm gonna be doing, and then that way we'll have one mirror in the blue and then one mirror in the pink. You guys, they just matched the paints, and oh my god, they're literally identical. I didn't know that was a thing. You guys, that was honestly such a workout, especially bringing everything in. I am breaking a serious sweat. First things first, before getting into the actual painting, I want to go and build these mirrors. So basically I'm gonna be doing one of the mirrors at a time. I just flipped it over on its back so that I can get the bottom legs. We're gonna go in with the first color. Oh, look at this peachy pink. It's like so perfect, and I'm so excited to see how it's gonna be on. Slowly but surely getting this first coat painted, and it's looking so good so far. Because this color is actually a paint and primer all in one, it actually has pretty good coverage. I am gonna go in with the second coat.
Just like the apothecary tables of yore.
So the first coat of the pink is drying off. So meanwhile, let's go in with the blue. They're gonna look so freaking good together. So it got really hot and I took off my socks, and because I was stepping in plastic, my foot got stuck in the plastic, and when I lifted my foot, the whole can turned over. And this is what happened. So if that's teaching you anything, paint outside, you guys. All right, so we're on to day 2. I let the back of the racks dry overnight. You can also see my little mishap from last night. It's okay, we're gonna figure something out. Here are just the back of the racks. They look so good. I didn't get to do a second coat here yet. I'm probably just gonna do it when I bring it up. But before getting into the rest of the painting, I just wanna take down those vines so badly. Alright, so this accent wall, I guess you can call it a DIY, but it's really just putting some stickers on a wall, but I think it gave a really cute outcome. So taking those decals from IKEA you could find at the kids section, I'm just roughly cutting them out so I can lay them on the wall before I actually go and stick them on. The way that I'm doing this is I'm actually just grabbing some tape and looping it around. That way I can stick the clouds to the wall and just do the exact pattern that I like. I actually just followed the pattern they had on the IKEA page, so I'm just using my iPhone as a tool to make sure that my clouds are all leveled and straight. And that's it, you're ready to stick on those bad boys, and for $11, you just created a little cloud accent wall. Alright you guys, so a quick little update. As you guys can see, I stained my carpet while doing the painting. I mean, come on Haley, why would you paint indoors? I'm not gonna throw out this carpet. I'm probably just gonna cut this part with the X-Acto knife and then use this part of the carpet downstairs in my living room. So we're still gonna use it, but I actually just ordered a new carpet very similar to this, but it's actually a lot better because it's white. So for now, I'm just gonna empty out the entire room and lay down the new carpet. So obviously, because I want to go for that vintage retro vibe, what's better than thrifting my furniture? And I found this absolutely perfect pastel blue suede accent chair, and I really loved it in the space. Another thing that I found on Facebook Marketplace was this pastel yellow set. It's a little chair and a little table. I did think the table was going to be a bit bigger, but hey, it still works. And then another perfect pink pastel item I got was this little mirror for only $5. And in just a sec, you guys will see how I styled the entire room using these pieces. Alright you guys, and that is literally it. That is my new entire studio. It's been so nice and so fun to transform this into a really new creative space. And obviously keep in mind, we're not 100% done. I am still waiting on the custom neon sign that is going to be coming soon. And I'm excited for you guys to see it because the design is amazing. And the fact that you guys contributed to the design is like so exciting. Let me know down below which part of the room is your favorite, which one you want to see me film in the most. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm going to be taking a bunch of different photos in this space. Subscribe down below if you haven't already to join the amazing family. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one in my new space. Bye guys.